be giving you a tutorial on how to make yourself sneeze. So as you know, it works for when you're sick, but if you just want to make yourself sneeze, it works for that too. Okay, so what you're gonna need. Alright, I'm gonna move. What you're gonna need is a napkin. But we don't have that. We don't have that anymore. And some tissue. So what you're gonna do with the napkin is you're gonna do this. Okay? And do it like this. And now you're gonna twist it. Twist it. Now just keep twisting it. Alright. Okay. Now get some tissue. Hold it up to your mouth. Like this. Like this. Watch and learn. It's kind of gonna make you cough at first, but yeah. Whew. There you go. And make sure that you like this video. Give me up to 10,000 likes, and if you do that, I'll just be giving out. I'm gonna be giving out light up shoes. I'm gonna be giving out light up shoes, and I never took them out the box. They're still in the box. Yeah, here they are. Still in the box. Okay. Still in the box. I think this one. Fresh out the box. So make sure you give me 10,000 likes and you'll have some free light options. Bye guys. KJ. 2,000.